I was the aerial engineer on a B-17 and top turret gunner. I had been trained in mechanics on the operation of different parts of the plane. I always stood right behind the pilot and co-pilot as we took off. I always called out the airspeed, our manifold pressure, and how our engines were operating, so he knew what exactly he was getting, how much power he was pulling, and in case of emergency, I always make the adjustments on the engines.
Got an engine on fire.
Top turret was the two guns manning a plexiglass turret on the top right behind the pilot and the co-pilot. That meant I stood in this top turret. Space between the back of my turret and my gun sight, it was very tight. Flew 35 combat missions over Germany. So one of the most memorable ones was the mission we flew on December 24th to Germany. We'd been down for about 8 days. The Battle of the Bulge had started. We led the 8th Air Force in, our group did. There was 4 squadrons of 13. We was led by General Castle. We just had got into Germany, and we were attacked by about between 35 and 40 German fighter planes. In the ensuing battle, we lost about 13 aircraft out of the 39 of us. General Castle's plane was shot down, and he was the only general of the 8th Air Force that was killed in combat.
B-17 out of control at 3 o'clock.
I'd say our crew was more like a family. Anything we did together. Our pilot was quite a bit older than we are. We always called him Pop. I was just 19, but most of us were younger. Still, those are some of the closest friends I have.